Hello everyone, I am Purvi Maru and a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today we'll be discussing 3 acupressure points which will help you if you are having restless leg syndrome problem. Okay, so what is restless leg syndrome? Let us discuss about that first. Restless leg syndrome means like if you are having a sudden urge to move your legs constantly. And how will you know about it is symptoms, if we can say. If you are feeling like something is crawling on your leg, okay, like some insect is there or some ant is there, if you are feeling something is crawling on your leg, if you are having that problem, or if you are having pain in your leg, if you are having numbness in your leg, if you are feeling tingling in your leg, you are having cramps, then itching is there, burning is there. If any such sensation if you are having constantly, then you may have problem of restless leg syndrome. Any such as in not just one of these problems, but there are 2-3 symptoms if you are feeling together, then you may have restless leg syndrome problem. So let us discuss acupressure points for that. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. So let us start with the acupressure points. So the acupressure points. The first one, let us see the first one. On the end of your thumb, on the back side of our thumb, all these points are basically on the back side of our hands. So on the back side of our hand, just below the thumb joint, if you draw a straight line in the center downwards, okay, downwards, if you draw a straight line, then where this line ends, just below that towards finger side is this point. This point is called as UB40. Okay, there is one more point just beside it, that is UB15, and more besides it, if you come towards the finger side, then it will be point of UB40. Okay, just let me mark. See where our this line ends. Okay, this line is ending. Just besides that line is this point UB15. Then if you go besides that, then is our point UB40. Okay, this is the location of the point. Then the second point is on our middle finger. Second and third point both are on our middle finger. Just above our second joint of the middle finger, just above it, exactly in the center is this point. This point is called as GB34, and just above that towards small finger sides if you go, then there will be our third point. It is called as UB57. Okay, UB57 is this point. So these are the 3 points. The first one is UB40, the second one is GB34, and the third one is again UB57. Okay, urinary bladder meridian, 57th point. So on all these 3 points, what we'll do with the help of a jimmy, we'll press this point properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute. You'll press properly all these points. Then we'll take a paper tape and we'll apply 1 star magnet on all these points. If you are not having the magnets and if you want to buy them, then we have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these magnets, jimmies and all these things which we use in acupressure are included. If you want to buy it, you can see our contact details. You can WhatsApp us on that number and buy it for yourself. See, this way we have taken a piece of paper tape, and we have applied 1 star magnet on this. We'll apply 1 star magnet on all these points properly. You need to apply star magnets on all these 3 points. These 3 points are bilateral, that means they are located on both the hands. So apply these magnets on both the hands. And one more thing, whenever you will apply magnets, you need to apply it for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, just throw the paper tapes away and bring all the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and they can be used for lifetime. So do this treatment daily. Please do not think that restless leg syndrome can be cured in a day or 2 or in a month such, okay? Because this sensation, especially because of our nervous system, there is some problem in our nervous system because of which we are feeling all these problems. So to cure nervous system, it will take at least some time to cure all these things, right? At least do this treatment for 4-5 months and then expect for results, okay? Do this treatment daily, it will definitely help you. And one more thing to remember is that do not break this. Like if you are doing for 10 days, then you have stopped it, then again you continue doing it, then it may take time. Okay, please do it with continuation, do not take any gap in between. That's all for the day. Thank you so much everyone.